This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lori.strickland. Tons of potential. Would make for a great investment property or flip. Property is being sold as is, where is, cash only. Property is sold in as-is condition and no repairs or concessions will be approved. Seller has no actual knowledge of the property and makes no claims or warranties regarding the property condition or location. All information in the listing is provided from the tax record. Highest and best offer should be submitted by noon on Tuesday, June 2nd. For more information, review the details below.